Hey guys, this is Etienne Martel from Martel Turnkey. This is a deal a day where I'm going to analyze a deal for you. Today's deal is brought to you by 3 chips and a chair, so thank you very much for finding the deal. It is 3406 Seymour Ave in Cleveland, Ohio, and let's get started. On the left we have the subject property. This is it on Redfin. It is listed for $49,500. Oh, and then on the right we have, this is where I'm just going to put all the numbers and just write everything out for you. So first off, we can get the address, type of home. This is a, let's find it. It says right here, triplex. Tri, so that means 3. So it's 3 units. It says right here as well, 3 units. So triplex. See if there's any other information here as well. Okay. Sometimes it'll be like an auction property, or investors won't be able to buy it till a certain point because they'll have a like a first time whatever home buyers something. So they'll just hold it for actual home buyers first till a certain point. 5/1. Okay, so that's square footage, 5,000 square foot. So they're asking 49,900. So we'll just put that in for now. Estimated rehab. Let's go through the photos and check it out. See what we can find. So here, obviously stairs need some rehab. You know what? Let's do, I'm unfamiliar with this area, so let's do a street view first. Let's do a street view first, and that's a rest in peace as well. So it's likely that the person died right here. Usually they don't spray it on anywhere. Yeah, okay, so that's a red flag, right? I also really don't like this alleyway. First of all, we just went into street view, and this is where it brings you. In the back right here, spray paint. It's like not even paved road. Yeah, seems like a sketchy. I would not feel comfortable walking down this by myself. That's for sure. More spray paint. And I'm just doing this to get familiar with the area and see if I can, because I'm unfamiliar with the area, so I want to know who my potential tenant would be. You could also look at what kind of car they're driving as well. That also is a good sign. You can tell a lot by what car they're driving, or what car most people are driving in the area. So yeah, this just keeps going. All right, so anyways, besides this, right, this little alleyway, I'm guessing the house is like right there. Let's go this way down it though. Oops. Okay. So, what is this? We can't even zoom in. Let's see. Oh yeah, so there's another one right there. That says the same thing. I think it says Rip Juan. Yeah. So I like this car, right? Looks nice. Same with this one. This looks nice. This looks fine over, like this house looks fine, right? That house looks fine as well. It looks like pretty well taken care of. I want to know what this is. Really bad. Gunna's MC, you riding or hiding? So It looks like there's like, damn, go back. Can't go back. So yeah, it looks like there's like a group that hangs out over there. So honestly, from that, I would automatically probably not invest here, because if there's going to be a bunch of people back here in my alleyway, like I won't be able to drive into my house, or your tenants won't be able to drive into their house because these people are going to be here. Yeah, so that might be an issue. Yeah, okay, let's just see the front of the house, right? Let's just see the front of the house. But as you can tell, I would pass on this already. Construction, that's a good sign, usually. As long as it hasn't been here forever. Sometimes they'll have this stuff up for a long time, but if they're actually doing work on it, then that's really good, because then they're trying to improve the area, make it look nicer. I do like these roads though. They do look like they're new. So looks like they could be trying to clean up the area. I'm not too sure on the area. House is like okay. I want to see what the front looks like again. Okay. So I think it's this. I think this is the front. I think this is the back. Okay, I think it might be that one right there. Let's see these people. Hello. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. I don't usually like this as well, like empty lots, because empty lots usually mean that no one wants to just build there, because it's like a great area. If it's a great area, people are going to want to build here. But it all depends on what you're looking to invest in and what you feel comfortable with and what your property management feels comfortable with. Or if you're doing your own property management, then whatever you feel comfortable with. So this is a house. It obviously looks like you need to do, so there's also spray painting here. Yeah, so you need to completely fix this whole roof. This is gonna break if it hasn't already. I don't even know why they put the pole here and not here, like on the corner. That's seems funny. No, oh my goodness, you've tricked me. Come on. Right there, yes. All right, let's keep looking at the house though. Okay, take a look at the other roof. This you'll need to fix as well. It looks like this shit is falling off. Looks like these tiles are like completely drooped over. But yeah, let's see. You may want like a new fence here as well. You can't even see this back unit either, but I'm guessing, since they didn't put too many photos, because you're also going to need to put a lot of work into that one as well. Let's see. Yeah, these concrete steps are going to need to be repaired. The city might make you want to fill this, so that's going to be, a couple grand. Cement's pretty expensive usually. And then look at these other houses that it's right next to. See these guys like leaving a bunch of stuff here. There's another lot. Yeah. I don't know, there are a lot of red flags. Yeah, it's all the garbage. This one's also for rent as well. So if you rehab that and you post it for rent, then you're also gonna be like, kind of battling for this. So whatever they put, I mean, this doesn't look renovated, so it's gonna be your renovated home versus their renovated home, and this one's not renovated either. That one is not good at all. Holy mackerel! You got a plant growing out of the roof. Holy moly. I know it's not the subject house, but you want to see the houses nearby. That's a beautiful house though. Like, look at the the facade. That's nice. That was probably the nicest house on the block before. Let's go back. Ooh, I saw something there, I think. Oh no, you can see the roof better though. But yeah, I think if not, you're gonna have to do that very soon. You're gonna have to do that, like, I think next year. Depending on when these photos were taken too, it could have been much worse. Yeah, the thing with spray paint too, if people put spray paint there, it's very likely that they're going to re-spray paint it when they go back there. Something that happens, this is let's see these photos again. Okay, it is brick, so that is good, but like do they have inside photos even? Yeah, like this roof, look, there's like no tiles right here, so you're gonna have to fix those. This siding looks messed up as well. You're probably gonna have to fix that siding. See how this is off, and this, oh, that might be okay. But these windows look also ancient. You're gonna have to fix the windows. Windows are pretty expensive. It's probably gonna be all of them as well. I don't think they fixed any of the windows. Oh, so the inside's like this? What? How do you do that? That's wild. Okay, so that's an issue. So hopefully they go there. Nope, they don't, because they know that's an issue. Yeah, but look at that. That looks like extreme water damage. Yeah. One thing I forgot to mention is that this house is actually pretty close to, if you guys have ever seen A Christmas Story. Oh, it's not on here. It's gonna be on here. If you've ever seen A Christmas Story, this house is actually pretty close to the house. So this is where the house was actually filmed, right here. And this is the house I just analyzed. So pretty cool. I know this area is extremely expensive. As you can probably imagine, everyone wants to live here. But yeah, cool little fact that about this property. So for this deal, I would have to pass for this. There was way too many red flags. There was like spray paint. There was tons of repairs that need to be done. The area seemed like it was very early in transition as well. If you wanted to, yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable buying that at all. Regardless, I'm trying to justify it in my head, but I can't. Like, I would stay away from this, definitely. Regardless if it's a triplex. Seems like it needs a lot of repairs, a lot of hidden repairs too. But there's a ton of mold in that kitchen behind everything, and you don't know how deep that goes. Regardless of if there's nice floors, yeah, you'd have to do a lot of digging. And there was that like clubhouse in the back alley. I don't think you want to deal with that. So I know I definitely wouldn't. You can, if you wanted to, call a property management team somewhere in the area and call them and ask them about this house. I'm betting that they have a story or two. So that is it for this episode of A Deal a Day. It is a day 7. Thank you very much. Send me your next deal. Happy to analyze it and give you my feedback. Thank you very much, and have a great day. See you on the next one.